Hi, as announced in a previous video, we are now also posting our vacancies on this channel. So here we go with the first one at Kunene River Lodge. Kunene River Lodge has a vacancy for the following position: General Maintenance/Driver. Job Overview. The main function of the position is on the technical side. Minimum requirements: Grade 10, Essential. Minimum of 5 years experience in maintenance infrastructure, technical and mechanical field. Valid Code B driver's license. Fluent in English, reading and writing. Police clearance certificate. Main functions of the position: electrical maintenance at the lodge. Repair and maintenance of the lodge vehicles. Maintain and monitoring of the water and irrigation plant at the lodge. For more information and to apply, click the link in the description below this video. Don't miss a single announcement by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. It's time to get excited about your future, so come join us on this journey and see what kind of amazing job opportunities await. The Terra Nawa team wishes you best of luck.